Hello, everybody. We're going to talk about feeding relationships. The aim of this lesson is to be able to identify animals as consumers and plants as producers, to identify different feeding relationships such as herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores, and to explain the difference between predator and prey. So let's start. What's going on here? What does it look like all these animals are doing? Exactly, it looks like they're eating. So look at all of these species that are circled in yellow. What are they? They're all plants. So these are all called producers. A producer is an organism that makes their own food. Usually this is a green plant, like this dandelion or the tree that the giraffe is eating from. Now look at all the animals that are eating the producers. The tortoise, the giraffe, and the fish. These are all called consumers. A consumer is an animal that eats a plant or another animal. There are three kinds of consumer. A herbivore, which is an animal that eats only plants, like a deer; a carnivore, which is a consumer that eats only meat, such as a cheetah or a lion; and an omnivore, which is a consumer that eats both plants and animals, like a bear. A bear can eat both fish and also berries, which means he eats both plants and animals, which makes him an omnivore. Humans are also omnivores. Take a look at the animals that are being pointed to with the blue arrows. What do you notice about them? There's a fish, another fish, a moth, and a zebra. They're all being eaten. These are called prey. An animal that is eaten by a predator is called a prey. A predator is an animal that hunts and eats other animals. In this case, it's the barracuda, the bald eagle, spider, and even the lion. All these animals are hunting other animals that are their prey. Take the example of the lion and the zebra. The lion as the predator and the zebra as the prey. The final check. Use the words on the right to describe the plants and animals below. There are 4 species: the panda, bamboo, crab, and otter. Pause the video and allow yourself 2 minutes to work them out. When you're done, press play and check your answers. Panda is a consumer because it's eating a plant. It's also a herbivore because it's a specific type of consumer that only eats plants. The bamboo is a producer because it's an organism that makes its own energy. Crab is the prey in this case because the otter is eating it, and the otter is the predator. The otter is also a consumer because it's eating another animal. And we can say that this otter, even though over here we're just seeing that the otter is eating crab, otters are actually omnivores, so they eat both meat and plants. Okay, remember, geography is everywhere. Thank you for watching.